How to repair ripped fabrics. Have you ever found yourself in the great outdoors with a tear in your gear? Knowing how to repair ripped fabric can make a big difference in your survival experience. Let's break down the steps to get your gear back in shape, using techniques that are perfect for a gear repair station in a bushcraft context. First, assess the rip. Is it along a seam or a tear in the fabric itself? Seams tend to wear out first, so they will need different stitches compared to holes in the fabric. For basic repairs, you can use a few hand stitches. The running stitch is the simplest. Just pass the needle in and out along the edges of the fabric. This stitch works well for small tears and can be done quickly with any thread you have on hand. If you need something more secure, try the backstitch. This involves stitching forward 2 steps and then back 1 step. It creates a strong line of stitches that can handle rough use, making it ideal for outdoor gear. For delicate or fraying edges, the whip stitch is your friend. This stitch loops around the fabric edge, preventing further unraveling. It's perfect for keeping your gear intact. Now, if you have a hole that is not on a seam, consider using a technique called darning. Start by stitching a circle around the hole. Then, weave thread back and forth across the hole to reinforce and close it. Using a rounded object like a small stone underneath can help keep the fabric taut while you stitch. When you are stitching, choose a thread that matches the thickness and material of the fabric. For example, use wool thread for wool items and lighter thread for cotton. Keep your stitches small and tight to avoid bunching, which can be uncomfortable when wearing the repaired item. If your fabric is stretchy, like knitted materials, hand stitching works well since it allows the fabric to flex. For woven fabrics, take care to avoid puckering or waves in the fabric. To finish your repair, tie off the thread securely with a knot close to the fabric and trim any excess. If you want to reinforce the repair, you can stitch back over the same area in the opposite direction. In a survival situation, you can do these repairs with basic tools: a needle, thread, scissors, and something to support the fabric while you work. Keeping a gear repair station stocked with these essentials ensures your clothing and gear stay functional, helping you stay comfortable and safe in the wild. Repairing ripped fabric is not just about fixing a tear. It's about extending the life of your gear and making sure you are prepared for whatever nature throws your way. With these techniques, you can tackle fabric repairs confidently and keep your outdoor adventures going strong.